For so many businesses, just dealing with paper checks every single month, it's really a drag on getting things done efficiently.
Absolutely.
We were looking into the work of Swetha, who's a functional consultant over at Tiana Solutions. She's got, 15 years in the ERP space?
That's right. And her experience with Acumatica is pretty deep. We're talking like tackling over 50 unique report scenarios, 100 generic inquiries.
Wow, yeah. Business events, security, imports, exports, Power BI, across all the Acumatica versions too.
Yeah.
And start using Acumatica for ACH.
Okay, so the first major step inside Acumatica is creating the actual ACH payment method itself.
Right.
And when you're doing that, especially in the remittance settings, you're basically putting up guardrails for the bank. And those rules, they apply when you enter your vendor's bank info, too, in their profile under the Payments tab. Think of it as the standard language banks use in the U.S. for these ACH transactions. Well, if you're looking to really streamline payments in Acumatica, or you need help setting up ACH, or frankly, any system optimization, just reaching out to Tiana Solutions is probably a really smart move.
And how can folks connect with Tiana?
Best way is probably just to call them directly. The number is 678-910-2774. You can book an appointment, talk about your needs.